marginalized group can access legal support. What is the role? Mobile court and legal aid centers being justice to remote or undeserved areas. And fourth one is building trust in institutional. The community-driven justice strengthen confidence in governance and legal systems. What is the role? What is its beneficiary? Transparent and citizen partnership improves accountability. You can encourage collaboration between the citizen and local authorities. Last one, link to partnership 17. Non-government NGOs organization, international organizations support community justice initiated by providing training, technical expertise, best practices, and you can fund local justice program, and you can share knowledges across countries and regions. So these are the justice initiatives or bridge between the local actions and global partnerships. These can resolve conflicts peacefully, ensure fairness and access to justice, and they can strengthen the trust in institution, and they can support global support, and make the knowledge sharing can be done here. Next, social media advisory and accountability. These social media has become powerful tool for promoting and transparency and accountability and citizen engagement, right? It connects local communities with national and global audience, and enabling faster actions and stronger partnership. So we can discuss different social media advisories here. First one is citizen voice and transparency. It is a platform like Twitter or X now, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, allow citizens to share concern and report abuses. Second one, youth lead movements. So youth people increasingly lead campaigns online to demand justice and reforms nowadays. You can see it in the social media. Third one, real-time monitoring. In the social media, they allow to instant documenting and sharing of local injustices. What is the role here? What are the benefit here? You can share the live videos, online petition, highlights the issues, and nowadays you can see lot of social media, and you can see the live actions, whatever happening um, in the areas. So next one is accountability and pressures. Here public expose via social media force leaders, institutional and corruptions to act responsibilities here. Finally, what is the partnership and building? There is a digital platform facilitating collaboration among civil society, NGOs, and a global organization. What is the role? What is the benefit in this? Here, networks are created to share the strategies, and they can raise the fund initiatives and advocate collaboratively, and they can strengthen the global partnerships. So this is the things here. So here we will discuss way forward. What is the next actions? Way forward. What is the next actions? Here we will see that strengthen of UN reforms, enhance digital governance, foster inclusive decision making, promote south to south, north to south collaborations. So first we will discuss strengthen on reforms. To effectively achieve peace, strong justice, and strong institution and global partnership, UN need to implement key reforms that enhance representations, accountability, and collaborations. Inclusive decision making will ensure fair representation of developing countries in global governance structures. So, what is the role? What is the benefit of the here is he can able to reform the UN Security Council to include voice and understand the nations. Second one, accountability and transparency. It will improve the monitoring system for UN operations and distribution and partnership. Third one, strengthen the peacekeeping. Yeah, it will equip UN peacekeeping mission with better mandate, sufficient resource, and modern technologies. Fourth one, partnership facilitations. It enhances the US role as global convener for government and NGOs and youth and civil society. Last one, focus on grassroots peace building. It will support the local initiative that directly encourage communities in peace and justice. So from here you can able to know what is the UN reforms, decision making, resource are used transparently, justice systems are reinforced, global local partnerships thrives, and community driven initiatives are supported. So next one, way forward to the enhanced digital governance. Digital governance use technologies to make government more transparent, accountable, and efficient, while also facilitating global cooperation. It strengthens both peace and justice and institutions. First one is e-government services. It uses online platform to deliver public services such as legal aid, license taxation, and grievance redressal. Second one, data-driven decision making. It leverage big data, AI, GAS to analyze trend, monitor conflicts, and track the resource allocation. Third one, digital inclusion. It ensure all citizens, including marginalized group, to access the ICT tool and digital literacy program. Fourth one, cyber security and trust. It will focus on establishing law, framework, and technologies protecting digital infrastructure and personal data. Last one, global collaboration, sharing the knowledge, technologies, and best practice internationally. Next one, we go for the foster inclusive decision making. Inclusive decision making ensure that all stakeholders, citizens, and marginalized group and nation have the voice in policies and programs that affect them. This approach strengthens the peace, justice, and strong institutions. Here we have different options. One is participatory governance. It is actively involving citizens, youth, women, minorities, and marginalized group in policies making. Second one, strengthen local institution, empowering community councils, local governments, and grassroots organizations to participate in decision making. Third one, transparent policy process, which uses open consultation, public hearing, and digital performing to involve citizens in policies making. Fourth one, global inclusively, which is used by giving development nations a smaller state understanding underrepresented countries in making voice in international forum and partnership. Last one, collaboration with NGO and social society, with leverage the expertise, advisory, and community networks of NGOs and civil society organization. Next to last one, promote South and North-South corporations. Here, both cooperation between countries, both South development countries and North development countries, is essential for sharing knowledge, building capacity, and mobilizing resources. Here, first one, knowledge and technology sharing, facilitating the transfer of expertise, technology, and best practice among the nations. Second one, capacity building, which will join program to train personnel, improve institutional capabilities, and enhance public services. Third one, financial collaboration, mobilizing investment, grants, and conventional loans for sustainable development. Then policy arrangement, which harmonizing the law, regulation, and standard across countries. Last one, joint perform, is establishing the forum network agreement for multi-level dialogues and coordinations. So from here, how AI can address the challenge of SDG 16 and 17. So whatever we discuss about the SDG 16 and 17, now we will discuss how AI can address these challenges. Here we have four different types. One is strengthening peace and justice, enhancing partnership, grassroots and community impact, promoting accountability and transparency. We'll discuss one by one. First one, strengthening peace and justice. That predictive analysis for conflict prevention, using AI and big data to identify the patterns and early warning signs of potential conflicts or violence. We can use that AI and big data to identify the pattern. Second one, automated legal support. Here, AI is powered tools that assist legal professional and citizens in navigating the justice systems. Third one, corruption detection. Here, AI system that analyze financial transaction, procurement data, and public records to detect the anomalies and potential corruptions. Fourth one, monitoring human rights. Here we will use the AI tools and data patterns and track human right violation using the report, social media, satellite image, and official records. Second one, enhancing partnership with technology. Here we have four different. One is data decision making, efficient resource allocation, facilitating south to south, north to south collaboration, digital governance programs. Digital tools, AI, and a data-driven system play the critical role in strengthening the global partnerships. Here, helping the countries and by making the organization or institution collaborative, effective, sustainable development. First one, data-driven decision making. We use the analytics, AI, and big data to guide the decision in development, trade, and governance. Second one, we will have the efficient resource allocation. Here we'll use digital platform to track and manageable financial, human and material resources. Third one, facilitating south to south and north to south collaboration. Here we'll use the technology to share knowledge, expertise, and best practice between the developing countries and between developed and developing nations. Last one, digital government platform. It is an online system that allow government, NGOs, and international organization to collaborate, monitor project, and report progress. So next one is grassroots and community impact. Here we have three different grassroots. One is community feedback analysis. So what is community feedback? Collecting and analyzing the feedback from local community to understand the need and concern of priorities. And youth and the NGO engagement is actively involving youth, people, and NGO in decision making, implementation, and monitoring of development programs. Last one, restorative justice and legal aid. It implements the community-based justice and focus on repairing harm and providing legal support. Next one, promoting accountability and transparency. So here, digital transparency and AI can enhance governance by monitoring institutional performance and increase the public trust. So here, directly supporting the 16 and 17. So here we have social media monitoring. Here we use AI and analytics to track public discussion and complaints and report on social media platform. Second one, digital auditing. Here, automating auditing progress using AI and blockchain technologies. We will use to track the financial transaction, public spending, and program implementation. Third one, performing prediction. Here, we'll use the predictive analysis to access the institutional performance and anticipate the challenges. Next, we'll go for leverage AI for peace, justice, and global partnership. First one will go for multi-layered infographic with the four main layers. First one is layer 1, challenges, political inability. This is a frequent government challenges, weak leadership and conflict and distribute peace building initiatives. Second one, lack of resources. Developing nations often face financial and technological constraint. Third one, rising nationalism. Here, countries prioritizing self-interest over international collaboration weaken global partnerships. Fourth one, corruption and weakness. Here, misuse of fund, bribery, and lack of accountability, and erodes the trust of governance. Next, layer 2. Here, we will discuss about the AI solutions for that one. First one, predictive analysis for conflict predictions. Here we'll use the AI to analyze the social, political, and economical data to forecast the area at risk of violence and instability. Automated legal support and restorative justice tools. Here AI tool will streamline the legal process, provide legal advice, and facilitate the process. Here layer 3 is a stakeholders. Here is the third layer. First one is a government and local institutions. What is the role? Development policies, enforce laws, maintain justice systems, and provide public services. Next, youth and civil society. Here we will use the role of this youth and civil society is to advocate for justice, engage in community initiatives, and hold authorities. Third one, NGO and international organization. What is the role is to provide technical support, funding, training, and advisory. Fourth one is global partnership and donors. What is the role of this one? Fund programs, support infrastructure, and enable cross-border corporations. So fourth layer four is impact and outcomes. Here we have different layers. First one is strengthen of peace and justice in the 16 SDG 16, reduce conflict, violence, and human rights violations. Second one, enhance global partnerships, stronger collaboration between government, NGO, civil society, and internal organization. Third one, transparent and accountable governance, reduce corruptions through AI-powered monitoring and digital auditing. Fourth one, inclusive decision making and grassroots empowerment, participation of youth, women, minorities, and local communities in policy making. Um, Next one is real-time examples for AI support of 16 SDG 16 and 17. So here we can see this predictive policies of conflict predictive. Location is Kenya and South Africa. How AI can help machine learning algorithm analyze crime patterns, social data, and historical trends that will predict the high risk area for violence, unrest, and criminal activities. Here enable the police and local authorities and NGOs to deploy resource proactively preventing the conflicts before the escalate. Second one is AI powered legal aid platform. How AI can help? It is located in India, legal aid chatbots. So these chatbots provide citizen with legal advice, case updates, and access to mediators. So here SDG is linked with the link improve access to improve the particularly for unreserved populations, empower communities with the strengthen the citizens, NGOs, and government organizations. Corruption detection via financial monitoring. So here the location is Brazil. Government tech initiatives, how AI can help. Machine learning algorithm analyze public spending, procurement records, and transaction. Here they will detect anomalies, unusual patterns, potential fraud in real times. Fourth one is disaster response and crisis management. Here, Philippines, Indonesia, they are following this one. Here, how AI can help. AI analyze satellite imagery, drone data, and social media to access the disaster impact. Next, global knowledge and resource sharing platform. So here, UN AI for good initiatives. Here, how AI can help them. Here, platform aggregate and analyze global data sets on funding, technical expertise, and development projects, matches resources, technologies, and knowledge between countries for effective collaboration. Here they use south to south and north to south collaborations. And here global partnership 17 is connected with the government, NGOs, and other international communities. Here are some real-time examples of AI supporting that is SDG 16 and 17. First one is predictive policies and conflict preventions. The location is Kenya, South Africa. So how AI helps machine learning analyze crime patterns, social data, and historical trends, predict high-level areas for violence, unrest, and criminal activity, enable police and NGOs and local authorities to deploy resource proactively by prevent the conflicts of escalates. Next, AI powered legal aid platform. So here, India lead the chat box. You already told this chat box provide legal advice and case updates and access to the mediators. It will reduce the workload on courts by handling the routine inquiries. Third one, corruption detection via financial monitoring. Brazil is following that option. How here AI can help. Machine learning monitor public spending, procurement, and financial transaction. Here flags anomalies and pattern corruptions of fraud that can be found here. The last one is disaster response and crisis management. Philippines, Indonesia, they are following this. How AI can help. AI analyzes satellite image, drone data, social media post, disaster impact, everything can be maintained. Last, global knowledge and resource sharing platform, UNAI for global initiatives, how AI can help aggregate global data sets on funding, expertise, and technologies. So they connect with the government of different NGOs and international organizations for joint initiatives. So I'll conclude with the last section. So peace and justice, SDG 16, and partnership SDG 17, that is equal to the sustainable futures. So we have one quote, no peace, no development. So that is no partnership, no progress. So this emphasis, the peace, justice, and strong institution are the foundation of sustainable development, while partnership are the mechanism that allow the goal to be achieved collaboratively. So, what is the interconnected goals in SDG 16? Focus on building peace, societies, delivering justice for all, and creating accountable, transparent institutions. Whereas SDG 17 promote global partnerships, financial and technological collaboration, and multi-stakeholder collaborations. We have mutual dependencies. Peace and justice are prerequisites for effective and trust-based partnership. And a strong partnership provide resource, knowledge, and support to strengthen institution and maintain peace. So together, SDG 16 and 17, they can create a synergetic cycle enabling the customized development. Right? Then challenge to progress. Here, political instability. There is weak governance and frequent leadership change underestimate peace and cooperations. Lack of resources, development nations struggle with limited budgets, technology gaps, and human capacity shortages. Rising nationalism, prioritizing self-interest over the global collaborations, weakness and institution impact justice and discourages collaboration. These challenges intersect the making the SDG 1617 harder to achieve without target innovations. So the role of the stakeholder is youth, NGO, and civil society engage in grassroots and promote initiative, inclusive participations, and local problem solving. The digital tools and social media, which amplify the citizen voices and monitor the institutional performance, accountability, and transparency. To build the sustainable future, society need peaceful, just, and accountable institutions supporting and strong, inclusive, and effective global partnership. So, addressing these challenges, leverage technologies and stakeholders encourages encourages the sustainable development account.
எங்க போறதுப்பா? நான் வரலப்பா, எங்க வீட்லயே இருக்கலாம். என்னோட கார்ல வேற வர சொல்லி வச்சிருக்கேன்.
Thank you, participants, for actively participated. I have concluded my sections. Thank you so much for inviting me. Faisal sir. Hello sir, are you there?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Participants, any question regarding this session? You can unmute your mic and then you can ask question.
Trial.
Or you can put in chat box.
Participants, kindly share your feedback with us.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Can you share your feedback?
Yes, ma'am. This is Sasikala from Trichy, ma'am. The FDP was really informative and thought-provoking, ma'am. The resource person provided their valuable insights in all the aspects, in such as real-world applications, case studies. They provided informations in the research trends. All those things they provided their valuable insights. So it is very informative and understandable for me, both in your theoretical concepts and also in the practical implementation.
Ma'am, Sasikala, ma'am, sorry for interrupting. Can you please switch on your camera, ma'am, before giving feedback, please?
It's not enabled, sir.
1 minute, ma'am. Let me enable it. 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Participant camera on.
Ma'am.
Camera on 1 minute.
I enabled it. Can you please check now and please switch on your camera?
Participant camera on.
So all the participant, please switch on the camera. So we have given the access. We request all of the participants, please switch on the camera. Sasikala, ma'am, you please proceed, ma'am.
Sir, really the session was very informative and thought-provoking, sir. So the resource persons provided their valuable insights both in the real-world applications, in the emerging trends, and also in the case studies. All those fields they cover. So which helped me understanding both the theoretical concepts and also in the practical implementations. So everything was well organized. So thank you organizers for arranging such a wonderful FDP. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for giving this feedback, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
If any other feedback?
Sir, I'm Dr. P. Ramesh, sir, from Valedictory University. The whole program was very insightful. The session gave us a very clear understand of how artificial intelligence it can be applied to achieve the sustainable development goals in the field of engineering and the management. The resource person explained the concepts in a very practical manner with the real world applications. As a participant, I feel that knowledge that definitely help us in our teaching, development, and research. The session is not only for the informative but also motivating, and they have the encourage to explore more about the AI-driven solutions. I would like to personally thanks to Dr. Faisal Muhammad providing this opportunity to organize the meetings in such a wonderful manner. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Ramesh. P. Ramesh, sir.
Sir, good evening, sir. This is Vijayalakshmi from Hyderabad Gitanjali College of Engineering and Technology, sir. It was very nice and informative session and well organized. Thank you so much giving this opportunity.
Thank you, Vijayalakshmi, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Any other participant?
This is Jayanti from Anjalimal Mahalingam Engineering College.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sir, I would like to express my sincere appreciation for organizing this FDP. The program was insightful and it is well organized. It covers a broad range of topics and kept the session. Sorry, sir. Sorry for the trouble. It covered a broad range of our topics, sir, and kept the session engaging. The content was very informative and aligned with the current academic and industry trends, sir. Technical arrangements were well managed. I gain valuable information and practical knowledge, which I can apply in my teaching and my research activity. Thank you once again to the team who organized and all the resource person for this opportunity, sir.
Thank you, Jayanti ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, any other person need to tell anything about this FDP?
Yeah, good evening. Faisal sir, can you able to hear my voice?
Yeah, sir. P. Manigan, sir. Yeah, sir.
Yeah, just I want to introduce myself. I am from Manigan from Saranathan College of Engineering. Last 6 days, that program is very interesting, starting from session 1 to session 13. Session 1 started with Dr. Balaj sir from Chennai and ended with Bashir Ahmed sir from Oman. So what it look in the sense, different kinds of concept and different kind of ideas as well as all the things has been in a different types. So it was somewhat more informative and useful for all of them. So regarding this, I was very thankful for KRC principal as well as the Kiran Bala sir, HOD of AIDS, and the coordinator, just I know Faisal sir as well as Karthi sir, because two of them has posted some of the message. So I know two of them only. So thanks for conducting this kind of program, and I'm waiting any other program in the sense we are interested to participate here. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Manigan, sir. Thank you, sir. Any other person from any other college?
So good evening, sir. I'm Sharda from RMK Engineering College.
Good evening, ma'am. Sharda, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
The session on the AI-driven solutions of sustainable development was highly insightful, sir. It was linking the AI applications with the SDG goals such as quality education, good health, and then the cities, climate change. It all emphasized the responsible AI and also the interdisciplinary collaboration, sir. It was more helpful by learning with the domain-specific examples, which are helpful for the further work in our. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for your feedback, ma'am. Any other feedback from any college?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Sir, this is Meena Darshini from AAA College of Engineering and Technology, sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sir, thank you, sir, for organizing this wonderful FDP, sir. It gives enormous things about the AI, and it gives and it motivates me to think out of the box, sir. It gives various details, like minute details they are saying, sir.
Thank you, Meena Darshini, ma'am.
Thank
you, ma'am. Thank you, participant. Thanks a lot for active
Faisal,
participant. Yeah, sir.
Hello, Faisal, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Parveen, ma'am, I think.
Can you able to hear my voice, sir? Faisal,
Yeah,
sir?
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello.
Sir. Hello.
Yeah, ma'am. You can continue, ma'am.
Okay, sir. The FTP on AI-driven solution for sustainable development was very highly informative, sir, and engaging. Thank you. Thank you for organizing this, this like the FTP. And also the resource person of all sessions are very knowledgeable and also encouraged to active participation. Overall, valuable experience, sir. Thank you. Thank you, organizing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for this wonderful FTP. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, good evening, sir. I'm Prabhu. I'm at AAA College of Engineering and Technology. I'm associate professor. So
Yeah,
this is
sir.
a very useful session, sir. Okay,
Thank
sir.
you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, this is Mayan Raja.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
So FDP is highly valuable and most of the topics are very closely and informative. And I hope I'm from non-branch of computer science. It helps to help us and motivate me to understand many topics and it will be guide me for further sessions, sir.
Yeah, sir. Sure, sir. Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Shall we conclude this session, participant? Bhavani, ma'am.
Sir, Faisal, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir. Sir, at this moment, I like to greet some people. So, as a coordinator for this ATAL FDP, so I like to thank Faisal, sir, co-coordinator, because he is only taking care of everything. All the things I like to appreciate because he is backbone for us to conduct this particular FDP, because from starting from purchasing of this link, from browser design and the guest arrangements, even because the guest arrangement, finding the guest, it is initially we feel very difficult because the topic is entirely new, because we have to merge A with the SDG, means some of the guests may hesitate to take the topics because it's a very new. Separately A can be taken, SDG can be taken, but merging the both concept, you cannot get PPT just like that in Google or in YouTube, even ChatGPT. So it is very difficult for the faculty members to prepare and deliver the concept. So our really, I like to thank our guests and our professors and our company peoples who deliver the lectures. Really, they prepared very well. Just like that, we cannot deliver these kind of topics just like that. So they prepare very hardly to deliver the addresses. I like to thank all the persons who deliver the these particular sessions. I really thank, and special thanks to Basir sir. So he's from abroad. He's taking the sessions for continuously for 2 hours. Even though it's a Saturday, he spent his time. I like to thank him, Basir sir, because I know him from 20 years. I know him very well, Basir sir, because when I was student, he was a faculty, Basir sir. So I know very well him. At this moment, I like to thank him, and I like to thank Karthik sir, because he also always working with us, and especially our coordinators and Bhavani madam and some of the students. They are always with us, and thanks to ATAL, because without them we cannot do anything. And last but not the least, our faculty members, because I know very difficult. Even 6 days means, on 4th day and 5th day after 8 p.m. it is very difficult to attend, but patiently attended, and feedback has been given. You have cooperated very well. Really, we got a very nice participants. Because of you only, everything has been conducted smoothly. So likewise, definitely we will help you to till get the certificate. Don't worry, we will with you, and we will get back you the certificates. Even though some portal has been issues, because around 35 FDPs are parallelly running on. So maybe 10,000 people are participating in the ATAL portal now. So if any delay means, please be patient. Definitely you will get the certificate. We will work on it, and the test time will be enabled, prolonged, and you will get the certificate. Nobody will, we will never disappointed any participant. Everyone will get the certificate. We will ensure that, because I know the value of this. You spend 6 days of time, we never let you disappoint. I give the assurance at this moment. We will take care of those things. And thank you for the patience, and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. As we conclude this enlightening session on validity, I am reminded of the words of Albert Einstein. Education is not the learning of the fact, but the training of the mind to think. It is my privilege to deliver the word of thanks on this special occasion of Faculty Development Program. First and foremost, I express my heartfelt gratitude to our chairman, Dr. K. Ramakrishnan, for his constant guidance and inspiration in all our academic endeavors. My sincere thanks to our Executive Director, Dr. S. Kuppusamy, and our Principal, Dr. D. Srinivasan, for their encouragement and support in organizing this program successfully. A special note of gratitude to our head of the department, Dr. B. Kiran Bala, and our assistant heads of the department, Mrs. V. Sangari and Ms. Adarani, and co-coordinator of this FTP, Mr. M. K. Muhammad Faisal, for the tireless efforts and coordination in making this event possible. We are deeply honored by the gracious presence of Chief Guest Dr. B. Basir Ahmed. Your valuable words and insights have truly enlightened us and set the tone for this program. We remain grateful for your time and contribution. I also extend my warm thanks to all our faculty members for their enthusiastic participation and commitment to the growth of our institution. Finally, I thank the organizing team and technical support members for their behind-the-scenes efforts in ensuring the smooth conduct of this online event. With these words of gratitude, I once again thank everyone for making this FTP a memorable and meaningful one. A thank you to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, participant. Thank you. If any queries, you can put in a WhatsApp chat box. With your active participant, we cannot able to complete these FTP. Thank you. Thank you, Kiran Bala sir. Without you, it can not be continued. And also, thank you for, thank you, sir. Sir, Basi sir, thank you, sir. Dr. Basi sir, thank you.
Thank you, Faisal. Thank you, Kiran. After a long time, I'm seeing you. Sorry to disturb you at the last moment. Thank you, Kiran. After a long year, I'm seeing you. Congrats for your presence. Thank you, one and all. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Participant, you can attend a test. The test is open for you. Be patient. If there is any server issue, please wait and finish your test. And put the ATAL online feedback also. Then only certificate will be generated for you. Please complete these two things. One is certificate, one is ATAL feedback. Another one is ATAL test. It is mandatory. If there is any query for you, means you can WhatsApp me personally, or you can put in chat WhatsApp ATAL group. Thank you, participant.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, today's feedback, sir.
Already shared, ma'am.
In WhatsApp group, sir?
No, ma'am. In ATAL portal. Kindly fill your feedback in your ATAL portal, ma'am.
Okay. So many courses are there, ma'am. How to select?
Pardon, ma'am. Ma'am, in your ATAL login, there will be a feedback on the left-hand side of the ATAL login. You can click the feedback and then you can put the overall feedback of this FDP, and then you can attend the test also. Below the feedback, there will be a test link is there.
So now it's the time to wind up your session.